What's altcoin? The derivatives. Oh, shop Bitcoin now. No, I'm losing money. What am I gonna do? As you can see, I'm not a trading guru and not a financial advisor, so trading crypto is risky, which may lead to financial loss. This video is for entertainment purpose only. Hey, hello everyone, I'm Charlie the Dollar Trader. If you didn't know what I was talking about, you better watch my following video. Okay, go. I wasn't losing real money. I'll explain in a minute. First thing first, before you trade cryptocurrency, you need to know the overview of the current crypto market. I'm introducing a website. It's called CoinGecko.com. I'm not sponsored by CoinGecko.com, but I've been using it since I started trading crypto. Yeah, the website provides overview of the Bitcoin and altcoins prices. Okay, let's click into Bitcoin and scroll down. Look at that, the information. It shows the price movement history, like the last 24 hours, 7 days this week, the last 3 months, 90 days, up to like a year, even backdated to 2014 when Bitcoin was like a few dollars. It's scrolling back up. So let's click markets then. It shows you which exchanges have Bitcoin available for trading. If it is an altcoin, which you clicked into, it will show which exchanges are available for trading for that altcoin too. The second website I use is called coinmarketcap.com. I sometimes use it. I just prefer CoinGecko's interface, that's all. You guys can try both websites and comment below which one do you prefer. So what is altcoin, as I mentioned a few times previously? So according to Wiki, any cryptocurrency is not Bitcoin, it is an altcoin. So that's all. So back to CoinGecko.com. Anything below the Bitcoin, if you scroll it down, they are all altcoins. What is stablecoin? And a stablecoin is pegged to a certain fiat currency. Fiat currency means government issued currency like US dollars, euros by European Union, yens by Japanese government. To CoinGecko, so stablecoin like Tether or USDT for short is pegged to US dollar. Then we have USDC, BUSD, Binance Exchange owned stablecoin. For beginners, so Tether USDT, that's all you need to focus for now. Now I want to know which exchanges I can trade Ethereum with. So I click inside and click crypto exchanges. So that they are the centralized exchanges. So the exchanges that are shown here, you can trade Ethereum, the altcoin, with these exchanges. So like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin. Centralized exchanges means that the exchange is owned by someone or owned by a company. Sign up with these exchanges, they normally need your identity document. It is their KYC, also known as Know Your Customer procedure. So maybe even need your proof of address. Yeah, sometimes they need you hold up the passport and do a selfie and then upload to their website. I'm looking at the top 10 to even top 20 of these exchanges. They all have very good liquidity and good trading volume. With decentralized exchanges, for beginners, I recommend don't touch it because it involves a gas feed, high trading feeds, and you need a hot wallet to install on it. If you really want to try out these decentralized exchanges, make sure you get the URL right. Like PancakeSwap here, I clicked it through coingecko.com. So because I love the scammer, they will make a fake website. Then you trade it through their fake website, then they will scam all your money. So it is not for the beginners. Paper trading. Paper trading is a function that some trading platforms let users to simulate trading crypto without real money. It's excellent, right? That's why in the beginning of the video, I wasn't trading with real money. I strongly recommend paper trading to anyone who is new to cryptocurrency trading. Yeah, using this function to try it out instead of using your hard-earned money. I'm using Bybit paper trading platform. I will put the link below. Okay, I'm going to show you what it's like trading in this simulated trading platform. So look at that. They already given us 5 Bitcoins. That's like nearly over 100,000 US dollars, equivalent that value. Oh, I wish it is real. So let me explain spot trading. Normally, in a real trading platform, you put a fund into the exchange and get it converted into USDT. Then you use the USDT to buy Bitcoin or an altcoin. So that's spot trading. Then in the exchange, you own that Bitcoin or that altcoin. So let's go to the spot trading interface of this paper trade to try it out, to trade Bitcoin. Now, obviously, it is not the real Bitcoin market price. So I wish Bitcoin is 4,900 something. Now, I'm going to use 10 USDT to buy some Bitcoin. That's equal to 0.002 Bitcoin. Click buy Bitcoin. Now you own 0.002 Bitcoin in this exchange. Since we have so much unreal money, let's buy it again. Let's buy it with a 1000 USDT. So that's 0.2 Bitcoin. Now we own 0.2 of a Bitcoin. We can try selling it now. So we could either type in the quantity of Bitcoin we want to sell, and we can use the bar below, so how much percentage of the Bitcoin that we want to sell. In this case, 100%. So we click sell. That's sold. Now we no longer own any Bitcoin in this exchange now. Oh, what is derivative? It is difficult enough to say it right the first time, let alone to understand it. But to me, in plain simple English, it is different ways of trading other than spot trading. We just click into derivatives pull-down menu. You can see a few different options of trading, like USDT perpetual, inverse contracts, USDC perpetual, USDC options. So we don't have to worry about all these. As I mentioned in the stablecoin, we want to focus on USDT. So USDT perpetual is margin trading with USDT. So margin trading is same as leverage trading, or some say trade with leverage. So margin trading, leverage trading, or USDT perpetual are the same things. They are all the same things. We're talking about the same way of trading with USDT. So in margin trading, you often hear about long trade, short trade, and hear people say, oh, short Bitcoin or long Bitcoin, or place a short trade on Bitcoin or place a long on Bitcoin. So what is long? What is short? Long trade is when you enter a trade at a price. We call it the entry price. So when the market price is lower than the entry price, then you lose money. Then if it is above the entry price, then you gain profit. Vice versa, a short trade is when the market price is lower than your entry price, then you will earn a profit. So if it goes above your entry price, then you lose money. So I hope everybody is clear and everybody understand what is short trade and what is long trade. I'm going to demonstrate both long trade and short trade in Bybit paper trading platform. So since it is paper trading platform, we will not trade real money. So I won't go into details to explain all the features in Bybit. I will show you the main features in order to show you guys what is a long trade, what is a short trade. So they are not the real money. This is the leverage settings. So what it means is, if I set to the 5, for example, I place a $10 for this long trade, I will actually trade with $50. It is a multiplication factor, so 5 times $10. The platform provide the extra funding for the leverage, but of course there's no free lunch. The trading platform will charge you for the interest and trading fees. All leverage tradings or margin trading will be charged with interest rate, so be aware of that. So let's just set it 10 for this long trade. Confirm. Let's do 100, right? 100 for now, just for demonstration. So look at that. So it's near $1,000, 100 times 10. Because of the trading platform deducted the fund with interest, therefore we're going to trade with close to 1,000 USDT amount. Okay, so click confirm. So as you can see, this is the entry price and this is the liquidation price. While we're waiting for some price movement to explain what liquidation price is. So if the market price reaches this liquidation price, the $100 that you place for this trade will be all gone. Then it's called a liquidation. Yep, be aware of the liquidation price for your each trade. Okay, so now the market price is moved a bit because it's trading. This is paper trading platform and doesn't have much trading volume. The price movement is a bit slow than the real one. So if you look at this one, let me to see if I can show you better. So it is, the market price is below the entry price, therefore you make a loss here. So I'll continue on to explain. Most trading platforms has a stop loss function. Stop loss is a function that it helps you to cut your losses when you're in a losing trade automatically. For example, I set my stop loss market price to 21000, so I would have lost about $44 out of my $100 trading fund. It's about 45%. Or just simply click the 25% here. The market price will be automatically set above. So I would have lost about $25, which is about 25% of my $100 trading fund. So this is stop loss function. It is very important for crypto traders, especially for beginners, because with leverage trading is so high risk. For each trade you must set a stop loss. Right? Take profit function. So it's just like stop loss, but it's the other way around. When your trade is in profit, and let's say you set it to 50% here, then you gain about $49 out of your $100 trading fund. Then you will close the trade automatically for you. Okay, let's close this trade. So before I show you the short trade, to avoid confusion, so you can close it by market price, so you close it immediately. Right, so we have some more fun with short trade, shall we? Since we are not dealing with real money, let's leverage to 100. Yeah, can't even speak. Multiplication factor to 100 with the short trade. Click confirm. Let's do 5,000 since it is not real money. We click short, so it's taking off quite a lot of trading fees. Should be near 500,000. Okay, so we click confirm. Orders is being filled. Okay, now then, so this dotted line is the entry price. It's showing you. Yeah, it's good interface with Bybit. So the entry price is 21951. So like I mentioned before, if the market price is above the entry price for a short trade, you will make a loss. Okay, so be aware of the liquidation price like I mentioned before. This is a short trade. I'm going to close the trade manually now, so I hope you have a better understanding of long trade and short trade. So to summarize this video, so far we covered CoinGecko.com, CoinMarketCap.com, what is altcoin, stablecoins, crypto exchanges, explain what is paper trading and spot trading, margin or leverage trading, explain what is long or short trade. We talked about liquidation, the importance of setting stop loss. Finally, the function of take profit. That's all guys for this video. So if you like my content, please subscribe and comment below if you have any question about crypto trading. Thank you and goodbye.